How can the integration of sensor technologies minimize unplanned downtime in robotic welding? So what's state of the art here is online seam tracking. How does that work? In seam tracking, you use laser triangulation to detect the weld seam. Laser triangulation works by projecting a laser line on your components to be welded, and by measuring the distance with a CCD camera, you can get an information where are your components and especially where is the gap between these two components. And so the robot is following automatically the path where you want to weld. This means what you eliminate on unwanted downtime is the programming. You completely get rid of the programming because the robot automatically follows your laser line that's produced by the seam tracking. State-of-the-art seam tracking sensors can basically detect all kind of welding geometries. So very easy, of course, is an overlap seam, but also butt joints with a very small gap, 0.1 millimeter gap size is no problem. And even highly reflective materials like aluminum can be detected quite easily because the signal intensity of the laser lines is high enough so that even the aluminum surface is no problem for a state-of-the-art seam tracking sensor.